Hi students, I am Sulekha, Faculty of Botany, Professor P.C. Thomas Classes Thrissur. I am with you today for sharing few informations regarding IISER course. The expanded form of IISER is Indian Institute of Science Education and Research. IISERs are a group of autonomous institutions established by the Government of India through the Ministry of Education for teaching and research in natural sciences. We have 7 IISERs across India, and these institutes are located in Berhampur, Bhopal, Kolkata, Mohali, Pune, Tirupati and Trivandrum. Now let us look into eligibility for IISER entrance examination. Candidate must have passed class 12 exam with a science stream from any CBSE school in India and must have studied at least 3 subjects among biology, physics, chemistry and mathematics during their plus 2 course. Regarding the mode of entrance examination, IISER aptitude test, in short it is called IIT, is a computer-based test for admission to the various undergraduate programs offered by the 7 IISERs in India. Regarding the entrance examination, it is a computer-based test with 60 MCQs with 3 hours duration, 4 marks for each correct answer and -1 for wrong answer. There will be 15 questions from each subject such as physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics with a maximum of 240 marks. IISER test is not tougher than the NEET exam. Almost similar level for chemistry and physics, and biology section is the easiest compared to other subjects. Now let us see the course pattern. The IISER entrance examination is the gateway to admission into the BSMS dual program with a 5-year duration for the course. In the 5-year duration of the BSMS program, the first 2 years students will have courses from disciplines such as physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics. 3rd and 4th year courses will be for specialization in one major subject like biology, chemistry, physics or mathematics, and also with 1 or more minors. The 5th year will be devoted to the thesis by research. The PhD admission is on the basis of CSI or UGC, UGC NET, JRF, or GATE scores. Courses offered in IISERs are BSMS in Biological Science, BSMS in Chemical Sciences, BSMS in Mathematical Sciences, BSMS in Physical Sciences, MSc in Earth and Climate Science, and also integrated PhD program they have. In addition to this, there are other courses which are not common to all IISERs. Some of the advantages of IISER course are: if you do MS from an IISER, remember you will not be unemployed. Many IISER students continue PhD program. There are diverse options like research assistant in industries, government jobs, teaching and even entrepreneurship. You will also be eligible for an IT job, for joining an MBA program and also appearing for civil service examination. The majority of IISER students opt for higher studies in India or abroad after completing their course. Remember, the opportunities are manifold. Finally, the benefits of choosing IISER over other courses include rigorous academics, exposure to research opportunities, and a holistic learning environment that promotes critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Students, you have ample opportunities before you to choose your future education program according to your aptitude. Thank you.